This initial test was done with 3 frozen glasses, with Peroni beer being brought into the XL cooler at 22 degrees ambient. As you can see, the beer in glass was -2.3 and lower. Whilst this was not the fastest of dispense rates, it was still bringing the beer from ambient down to a sub-zero temperature. You can still see the immediate formation of ice in the glass. Especially on the left glass, the third glass to be poured, you can see the ice shards rising from the bottom of the glass to the top. As the 3 glasses are left to stand on the bar, again you will see ice breaking away from the bottom of the glass and rising up of its own accord. Here we again repeat the exercise with frozen glasses, half Peroni glasses, except this time we have altered the stat setting on the XL from -1.5 to -2.5. The incoming beer is still at an ambient of 22 degrees. Beer in the glass is still around the -2.7, 2.8 mark, but we have better ice formation. Here again you can see the ice rising from the bottom to the top of the glass. Again we now try with a frozen pint glass, again with the setting at -2.5. The benefit of the frozen glass helps bring out the ice shards. On an ambient glass we would still have negative sub-zero beer, but we would not have the formation of the ice. We're now going to try the same again, but with the setting now down at -3.5. top of the glass you can see a high level of ice formation. We have now got the beer coming in at 6 degrees. This is not going through a pre-cooler, this is held in a cabinet at 6 degrees, then come into the XL again set at -1.5. As you can see, there is a great deal of ice formation, and the beer is at a temperature of -2.8. Second pint here was -2.4, 2.3, and again you can see great shards of ice coming off from the inside of the glass. The third pint, this hits only about -1.92, -2.2, but it settles down again at -1.9. But once again, a lot of ice in the glass. We have now set the set temperature to -2.5. Going into a frozen glass, we get a great deal of ice formation. Again, set at -2.5 into a cool glass as opposed to a completely frozen glass. Here we now pulling into a chilled glass, not fully frozen, but a chilled glass, but with the set point at -3.5. And we can see again the immediate ice formation in the glass. Now pour into an ambient glass, but this glass has a vacuum to save any heat getting into the beer once poured. The idea of this video is to show ice formation in glasses. This XL cooler is ideal for serving sub-zero beer with or without ice shards.